Good evening, sir. This is John Paul Arsacolyes from BSIT 3K, and this is my prelim assessment too. And proceed sa questions. How can you define a simple route in Laravel and what would be a real-life example? So basically, itong routing sa Laravel is ganito siya nag-work. So sa home, once na pinis mo yan dun sa may URL, is ang mapupuntahan mo is welcome to homepage, which is homepage nung webpage. So sa number two naman, how do named roads work in Laravel and how might you use them in real world application? So ganito naman siya. Kunyari, parang simple ano din lang siya ng ano, na itong number one. Kasi parang name na to ng ano, kunyari ito, pag napunta ka dito sa profile, parang pangalan na siya, ganun. So number three, sample earthly. So number three, what is the purpose of route groups in Laravel and how might they be used? So sa routing naman, parang pag-organize to ng ano, ng mga same na mga contents like ano, may lahat ng routes na may prefix na admin ilalagay sa ano group para mas malinis yung code. Ganun. So, sa number four, how does middleware work in Laravel? And can you provide a practical? So, practical example, route kit, pattern, levels. So, feature. So, yung ano kasi middleware, parang bantay siya bago makapasok sa route. Halimbawa, parang authentication middleware. Hindi makakapasok sa dashboard yung user kung hindi nag-login. Parang ganun. So, sa number five is how can you handle form submissions and CSRF protection in Laravel? So, dito naman, gumagamit tayo ng CSRF para ligtas yung ano, yung user natin laban sa mga fake requests. Kunyari, ito. Kamao. So that's it. That's the answer on the five questions provided. Thank you, sir, and good night.